Hey growers, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. July brings intense heat and busy harvests, but your garden still needs care and attention. In this video, we'll go through the top gardening chores to keep everything thriving through summer's peak. In July, your garden is likely bursting with growth, but between the heat, pests, and plant fatigue, it's crucial to stay consistent with watering, feeding, and harvesting. This month is about fine-tuning, keeping things healthy while preparing for your fall crops. We'll also cover heat protection, compost care, and what to sow for continued success. Chore 1. Watering strategy. Water deeply 1 to 2 times per week early in the morning. Use mulch and drip irrigation to retain soil moisture. Focus on fruiting plants like tomatoes, squash, and cucumbers. Chore 2. Feeding fruiting plants. Continue feeding with compost tea, worm casting tea, or fish emulsion every 2-3 weeks. Heavy feeders like tomatoes and peppers need the most support now. Chore 3. Harvest regularly. Pick ripe vegetables like cucumbers, zucchini, beans, and tomatoes often to encourage more production. Harvest in the early morning to preserve quality and flavor. Chore 4. Prune and clean up. Remove yellowing leaves or diseased foliage. Light pruning of indeterminate tomatoes and trellised cucumbers helps airflow and reduces disease. Chore 5. Pest patrol. Continue checking for squash vine borers, spider mites, hornworms, and aphids. Handpick, use neem oil, or spray with insecticidal soap as needed. Chore 6. Succession sow heat-tolerant crops. Plant bush beans, okra, collards, and heat-tolerant greens like New Zealand spinach and Malabar spinach. Keep soil moist for germination during heat. Chore 7. Shade and protect. Provide shade cloth for cool-loving crops or young transplants. Relocate pots or create temporary shading using row covers. Chore 8. Tend worm bin and compost. Feed your worm bin smaller amounts more frequently to avoid overheating. Turn compost pile weekly and add brown material if it smells. Chore 9. Start fall crops indoors. Begin starting seeds indoors for broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and cabbage for fall planting in August. That's your July checklist, growers. Stay on top of these chores and your garden will thrive through the summer heat. Don't forget to like, comment with your favorite July crop, and subscribe to the Wormy Garden for more monthly garden wisdom.